Hi, you guys. Today we're doing a shop with me at Lowe's. On this table here to the right, they have a lot of your lucky bamboos from Casa Farms. They're going for $22.98. They have different sizes. This one's going for $15.98. It's smaller. And then over here they have a couple of your bonsais in these gray pots for $30.98. This is really pretty. I like how close together the leaves are on this one. They have some homelominas as well as this philodendron. I think that's the summer glory. She's not looking too happy. They have that ficus there. They also had that anthurium and ficus burgundy, snake plant, and that pretty croton, and a large peace lily. Looks like they're moving out all of the Halloween decoration things to clearance. Around the back here, on this display, they have a red vein maranta, nice big basket of that. They also have a few of the curtitias and crotons, dracenias, some snake plants, diphymbachias. Up here they have some lichen grows, and then the same plants they had last time, which is the rabbit foot ferns. They have this croton in the lichen grow, super pretty. I have recently seen people showing these kind of crotons in their videos, and look, these are all new. Look at this Sansevieria, not Sansevieria, Ficus shaveriana. 1998, you guys. I don't really like the super red, colorful planters, but these are, I guess, their Christmas collection. They have the burgundy, Ficus burgundy. Mine is super huge. They got that beautiful homalomina. They also have this calathea here. I like the color of that pot, that like minty green, and the terracotta pots. They also have these water bowls here with the dracenias in them. Some live trend down here. Love these two-tone pots here. Some alocasias on the bottom. Look at these pretty tall pots, you guys. These are definitely new for my store from Urban Jungle. $13.98 for that alocasia. I don't know what all the black spots on that plant is, but something is probably wrong with it. I don't know. But I really like these tall pots that they came out with. Those are really cute. And then here, just panning and looking at the succulents and cacti. These have been here for a while. On this table, they have some more sansevierias, dracenias, some of your bonsais, and I'm trying to look for the price of this sansevieria here. I couldn't find it, but I believe those are like $13.98 or $14.98. Then your bonsais, your adansonii, some more bonsais, and your Scindapsus moonlight. That's a beautiful plant, you guys. And then here they have some more cacti and succulents. Nothing that I was tempted in picking up this time, really. A lot of these succulents and cacti have been here for a while. And here I'm just showing you the large floor plants. They have been there for a while as well. Some golden pothos in your wicking grow. beautiful Lush plants. Those are must-have, you guys. Some calatheas and aglaonemas and some of your green ZZs. And then that really stark white aglaonema. I think somebody is hiding that one to come back for it. And then your yucca plants. And over here, they had some more of those homelomenas. I think they're homolomena. Really pretty plants, you guys. That one's one that I've been tempted in picking up every time I see it. Some more parlor palms here. And then, of course, your bromeliads. Some more ficus. And this plant here that I have in my collection, she is looking so beautiful, you guys. And the one in my collection is flourishing and doing really good. Some more of your calatheas and some peace lilies. They also had some more of your, what is this, the elbow pothos that mine didn't do so well. I still have to edit that video for you guys and post that. Maybe that will be up soon. And some larger peace lilies. And then here they had a entire bottom row here of calatheas. Really beautiful calatheas. I think those will probably do great in the self-watering pots, you guys. I've also tried one in pond and it's doing pretty good in pond, so definitely recommend putting it in pond if you like pond to grow in pond. And these African violets that have been here forever in the dark, not looking so well. But look at this, you guys. Look at these cute Christmas pots. I think they came out with this collection last year. I'm not sure. But yeah, new plant as well. I forget what this plant is called, but new plant to my store. And up top, they have a bunch of hanging baskets. They have your neon pothos, your jade pothos, in these live trend and urban jungle pots for $14.98. Really cute pots, you guys. I love the terracotta with the macrame. I like these more neutral pots. They go well with my decoration. They had some micans looking good as well. They had some of your Skindapsus. These are newer pots with the color on the bottom rim. Look at that beautiful micans. She is looking gorgeous. And they also had this Skindapsus argyrius, I believe. Yeah, this is the Skindapsus argyrius. And look, that stick is going right through that leaf. Poor leaf. Okay, and then here we have the Marble Queen. These are really cute pots as well. Down here, we have more of the same that you guys saw last time. I really like these like ombre blue and the orange pots. I don't know, it just gives me sunset vibes and I really like them. These are really cute too, that pale blue. And then here I'm just giving you a look at the Wick and Grow plants. If you're not interested in buying any of the plants with the pots, these are really good to look at. Most of the time, the plants that are in the pots are available as well in the Wick and Grow. So, and I think they're like smaller versions. These are the hanging baskets too that they have. More of the same, the marble queens, the teddy bear vines, and things like that. And then here, I just wanted to show you some of these plants more up close. It's kind of dark back here, so I did pull out some of the plants to show you off to the side. This one is the Schefflera with the variegation. I think this plant is super cute. I've been thinking about buying one. as well as this one here. I love the coloring on this plant. And these are really inexpensive for $5.98, you guys. It's a nice starter plant, if you ask me. This one here has also been catching my eye. Like I said, I've seen a lot of people showing these kind of dracaenas in their YouTube videos, and it's not one that's super commonly talked about. But from what I hear, they're pretty easy to care for versus the other crotons. And look at this one, super pretty. They also had this Syngonium here. I believe this one is the Syngonium Maria. She's really pretty as well. And so they have more peace lilies and Syngoniums as well as begonias in these wicking grows. They also had Demandula. I forgot to show you that one. And the wicking grow. A lot of Curtitii, Peperomia, twisted lipstick plants. They still have some Crimson Princess, some ivies, the crotons on here in the Wick and Grow, and syngoniums, purple waffle plant. They also had the coffee plant if you guys are interested in looking for the coffee plant as well in the Wick and Grow. And down here on this display, they had some Dracaenias and ficus, this beautiful Aglaonema, you guys. I feel like that white crisps up may be easy if you miss a watering or something. I'm not sure. I haven't tried that plant out yet, but let me know down below in the comments if you have that Aglaonema and if the white crisps up real easy or not. And then they also had the silver stripe. Is it Monstera's silver stripe? That ficus is beautiful. That ficus burgundy. They also had some of your anthuriums and bonsais up here and some of the lucky bamboos. Here they have the Maranta here, silver band Maranta. I think this one might be different than the Argyrius. That's Scindapsus, the rabbit foot fern, golden pothos, red vein Maranta. Here's another silver stripe that I was talking about. Some philodendrons. I think that's the neon philodendron or something like that. Look at this beautiful Christmas display here. Now, this is nice and organized, you guys. Looks beautiful. I know that in my last video, I was talking about how unorganized my store is, but I kind of blame the customers for that because if you pick up a pot, like put it back where you found it. Let's try to keep it nice and tidy, but on the other hand, they could clean up any debris. Anyways, these are really cute, the little reindeer, or yeah, with the air plants, and then the pots with the scarves, really cute. And then here, these have like little Christmas tags, charms on them. And I feel like the pot looks like a sweater print or like a fabric print, little sack, maybe like a Santa's sack. Super cute, you guys. And I think these are pretty inexpensive for 8.98, I believe. Yeah, 8.98. Not bad, you guys. I think that's a great buy. And then they have these cute little houses, you guys, with the air plants. I don't know if that red piece is like glued on or if that's actually part of the air plant. You guys let me know down below in the comments. I feel like they glued that on, which is not cool. Then they have these little snowmen, like glass terrarium thingies with the air plants. These are super cute as well. Again, are those flowers part of the air plant or are they glued in, you guys? Let me know. I fell in love with these cute little owl things. Oh my God, with the air plants. And is that red coloring on those air plants natural or are those spray painted, you guys? I couldn't really tell. I feel like it's natural. And again, these were really inexpensive. I think I want to go back and buy one of each because I could definitely put those out in my decorations all year long. I love the cute little owls. I hope you guys enjoyed this shop with me. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. Click on that bell to get notified every time I upload a video, and I'll check you guys out on my next one. Bye.